Looking for a local independent repair shop that you can trust? Gadget Rehab is Buckinghamshire's #1 electronics repair store with over 10 years of experience in the industry. Gadget Rehab is highly rated, trusted by industry experts and endorsed by Which, giving you reassurance your device will be in safe hands and repaired to the highest standards. At Gadget Rehab, we repair more device types than your typical mobile phone repair store. As well as smartphones, laptops and tablets, we also repair games consoles, speakers, drones, headphones, amplifiers, DJ equipment, circuit boards, and much more. Based in High Wycombe, we provide drop-off services at our store or collection services from your home or work address. Our turnaround time is fast, and booking a repair is simple and easy. Call us today on 01494 534 008 or get an online quote from our website www.gadgetrehab.co.uk.